Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 39, часть 2, страница 94. English, Starlight 4. Homework, lesson number 38, part number 2, page number 94. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 94. 94. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the story first to yourself and then to your friend. Прочитай историю сначала для себя, а затем для своего друга. The bird with one wing. Once upon a time, there was a baby bird with only one wing. The baby bird could not fly. One day, the other birds said, "It is very cold here," and they all flew away. The bird with one wing was very sad. "I can't fly," it said, "and I can't live here all alone. What should I do?" Just then the little bird saw some squirrels. "Please, can I live with you?" it asked. "Can you crack nuts for us?" asked the squirrels. "No," said the bird. "Then you cannot live with us," they answered. The poor little bird walked on until it came to a fox. "Please, can I live with you?" said the bird. "Can you catch chickens?" said the fox. "No," said the bird. "Then you cannot live with me," said the fox. So the bird walked on and on, feeling very sad. Suddenly, the little bird saw a treehouse. The bird knocked on the door, and Mr. Rabbit opened. "Please," said the bird with one wing, "I'm all alone. Please, can I live with you?" "What can you do?" said Mrs. Rabbit. "I can clean your house," said the bird. "Come in then," said Mrs. Rabbit. "That is just what we want." So the bird with one wing cleaned Mr. and Mrs. Rabbit's house and was very happy in their tree house. And every winter it went back to Mr. and Mrs. Rabbit when the other birds flew away to warmer places. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Find words in the story with the following sounds. Найди слова в рассказе со следующими звуками. The answer. Number 2. Fly. Number 3. Away. Number 4. Alone. Number 5. Squirrels. Number 6. Crack. Number 7. Catch. Number 8. clean. Number 11, flew. Number 12, warmer. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read the story again. What's the moral of the story? Прочитай заново историю. Какая мораль рассказа? The moral of this story is that you can find the way from different situations, and you should help those who need it. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Write your own version of the story. Change the animals the little bird meets and what they ask it to do. Напиши свою версию истории и замени животных, которых встречает птичка, и что они просят ее сделать. Just then the little bird saw some owls. Please, can I live with you? I'm alone and I have got just one wing, said the bird. Can you see well in the dark? Asked the owls. No, said the bird. So you can't live with us, they answered. The poor little bird walked and walked until it came to a hare. Please, can I live with you? Said the bird. Can you jump very fast? Asked the hare. No, said the bird. You can't live with me. And the bird walked on and on. Suddenly, the bird saw a doghouse. It knocked at the door and Mr. Dog opened. Please, I'm alone. Can I live with you? Said the bird. What can you do? Asked Mr. Dog. I can tell you funny jokes and I can help you to guard the house, said the bird. Come in then, said the dog. So the bird with one wing told Mr. Dog funny jokes and helped him to guard the house. They were very happy together. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.